How do you talk about today's weather?
It's cold. The weather is chilly today. Today's crisp air and low temperatures really make you feel the season.
How do you express excitement for a sports event?
I like football. I'm excited for the football game. The upcoming football match promises to be thrilling. I'm eagerly anticipating it.
How do you mention a new hobby?
I like painting. I'm starting a new hobby, painting. I've taken up painting as a new hobby. It's a fantastic way to express creativity.
How do you express your love for your family?
I love my family. My family means a lot to me. My family is my rock, providing unwavering support and love.
How do you talk about the weather forecast?
It's going to rain. The forecast says rain. The weather forecast predicts rain. Better bring an umbrella just in case.
You're doing great. Keep up the hard work.
How do you mention a weekend hobby?
I play tennis. On weekends, I play tennis. My weekends are often spent on the tennis court, honing my skills.
How do you express gratitude to a family member?
Thank you. Thanks for your help. Your support means the world to me. I'm deeply grateful. How do you keep in touch with friends and family?
I call and text them. I keep in touch with friends and family through phone calls, texts, and social media. Maintaining connections with loved ones involves a blend of phone calls, messaging apps, and social media platforms, ensuring regular and meaningful communication despite geographical distances.
Keep practicing and you'll be even better.